so here is how everything is looking. I got it pretty close to my, oops, this is my idea that I had in Illustrator. And then this is what everything is looking like. So it's coming along. There's a few things I still want to change, some of the fonts and stuff. But my first page is kind of goes over my workshops and stuff. And I have like a slideshow playing of just some of the pictures, just to give people ideas. And then I go into details. And then I actually added a form where they can contact me directly through the page. So that's like my landing home page. And then I have a place for subscribers and then my other social medias on the side here.
Great. Are you so excited, Jenna?
Yeah, I'm excited. It looks good. The only thing I'm not totally happy with is my header up top. If I make it any bigger than that, it gets blurry no matter what I've changed the resolution to. And then I had it saved as a couple different types of files, and when I save it like as a JPEG, it turns the green black. So I don't know if I'm missing something or if it looks okay. I think it's a little bit small, but
right.
At least it's not blurry.
How you made this in Illustrator, right?
Yes.
Okay, so ultimately, well, what I would do is I would figure out exactly how big you want it, right?
Okay.
So blow it up as big as you like it, even if it looks like crap. Then take that canvas and click, you have the exact size you want, and then copy from Illustrator into Photoshop, and it'll recognize it's a vector and it'll be totally scalable. And then confirm it, like hit enter to put it in place. And then it'll be nice and crisp and clear.
Okay. I was just exporting directly from Illustrator, so that might be a better option to take it into
figure out
Photoshop.
how big you actually are going to want to put it. That's probably the easiest way to go. So
okay.
What do you want it to be, about 900 pixels wide?
Ooh,
then I would create that blank. I would create that canvas space in Photoshop and then copy and paste it in. And it looks like it's like a PNG with a transparent background or something.
Yes.
So you're going to have to save it as a PNG in order to get the background to show through.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I did in Illustrator, but I'll try and play with it in Photoshop.
I might go a little bit darker on your green type. You definitely have gotten this soft feel, and I think you're getting the vibe that you want, even though you used the theme.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was able to import my wood background and everything. So
you found something that was highly customizable?
Yes. Yeah. The only thing I was having trouble with is changing the fonts. Like I would change the color, but I didn't know how to change this font.
Ah, okay. That's interesting. Did you, where did you change the color?
Just when I was like doing the post or editing in the page directly.
Does this particular theme allow you to create any, remember how the one that we were playing with the other day, it allowed us to create some custom CSS?
Yes.
Does this theme allow you to do that?
Yes.
So why don't you go take a look on it? Can you pull it up real quick?
Yeah. I thought I put it in here after what we were speaking about the other day.
CSS.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I didn't do something right.
Well, there's a syntax error with your text align center. I'm not sure. I don't think you want center aligned text. It's going to be very difficult to read. So I would delete that line.
Okay. This whole thing here.
Yeah. And the color, it looks like you're successfully, is that green color right there?
No, it's a color that I was able to pick when I was editing the post because the color didn't work either. It was still showing up as black. But that color I got out of Illustrator, so it should be the right number.
Your syntax looks right. Your syntax looks right. For right now, where it says font family, use a single quote and type Verdana.
Verdana.
But put a single quote around it.
Oops.
Put single quotes around Verdana. Now hit save and publish. It changed. Do you see how it changed your typeface?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
Maybe
the
I had
font
it. I
family.
just didn't
Oh,
realize.
actually, also too, you need to end that line with a semicolon.
Oh, got you. Right here.
Right.
Okay.
Now, why is it not doing the color? Just for the heck of it, I think you're overriding the color setting. So even if we change the color here, because you've changed it in your post, it's not going to change. Do you know what I mean?
Gotcha. Yeah.
So I would take off that color here and control it here. And it should work. I think because there was bad syntax in the previous line, that might have prevented it from working.
Okay, I can go back and try it again later.
Jenna, the reason why Verdana works is because it's kind of like a typeface that everybody has on their computer. If you want to do anything that's super custom, like if you love that, if that's a Google typeface, then you can bring it in. You just have to add a couple lines of code to import the Google typeface at the top of your CSS.
Oh, okay.
So the Verdana I told you to use because I have Verdana, you have Verdana, so it's displaying as Verdana.
Sure.
But if you have that specialty typeface, we're going to have to import it. It's not a big deal at all. I can send you a resource on that. So if you're in love with something that you want for all of your body copy, then I'll show you, and it's Google, then I'll show you how to do it.
Okay. Yeah, that would be great.
Wow, I'm really happy for you. This is great, Jenna.
Thanks. Yeah, I have the other page that I have done is the About Me, the About page. And then I still have to get going on Design Services Shop and freebies, but I have the About done, and I did that silly photo that you thought was funny.
Yeah.
I just, I linked it to my Instagram page, so I just pulled it in with the URL.
Awesome.
And then, yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. I'm excited to keep playing with it and seeing, what else I can customize and get the rest of my details up here.
I'm really, really happy for you. Jenna, what you can do is with your freebies, are you using the idea to get people to subscribe to your blog? Then you'll give them access to certain freebies. There's plugins that can make a password protected page.
Oh, okay.
So once they subscribe, they become like their user type in WordPress becomes subscriber. And then once they log in, then they can see the page. I did it on my site. It was a little bit painful to make it work, and I can't really explain why right now because I don't really remember.
That's okay.
But that's really, it's interesting to me to just see these new subscribers coming in. I get a new subscriber to my blog every couple of days. So now it's leading me to think, well, wow, I should take advantage of this,
Yeah, definitely.
So anyway, it looks good. If you need any more help, just let me know. I think we should, so you have your proposal. Did I create a place for you to upload your URL and your proposal?
Ooh, I don't know.
There's a final project on there, senior overview project.
And can you guys access it?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
Let me just make sure it's actually open. Assignments, senior overview project, and yeah, okay. And it's due, it doesn't have a due date on it. So I'll just make it due tomorrow night at midnight since that's the end of the term.
Okay.
So it's due Friday the 12th at 11:59, and it's available from the 1st until the 12th. So you guys should be able to see it now.
Okay, and all you need is our proposal and then the URL to the finished site?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
Good job. Okay, Jada, you want to pull yours up?
Sure.
And you guys, I've been kind of lax about, I haven't posted the last couple of videos. So I don't know if you care or not, but I forgot to do that.
It's okay. I might take you up, if you can send me, if you think about it later, the font, how I do the Google font.
Yes.
I might take you up on that.
Okay, all right, no problem.
Thanks.
Okay, so where we left off, I made I cleaned up the user frames for playing new game and continuing level. Then I made a user frame kind of like how it's gonna look inside the game, like the key components. And so from there, I started taking like pictures that I like and tried to get a feel of like the design of the app. So altogether, like this is gonna be like the design where you have two of the same pictures with different pieces missing, then the whole
Ilsa, I mean, Jada, we can't see your project.
You can't?
No. You got to share the screen.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was sharing. Can you see it now? Oh, okay. So going back, so I just cleaned up. Can
you guys see it? I can't see it.
Yes.
I can see it.
Okay, so I cleaned up the wireframes, and so then I made a new one of like what the inside of the game would look like and like the key components. So there's like your pause, play button, the buttons where you can zoom in, where it shows you how many you could find, and like a time limit. Well, this is not really a time limit, but it doesn't limit you, but kind of like it keeps going.
Jada, I can't see anything right now. I'm not sure. Can you stop screen sharing and start again and see if I can see it the second time? So hit stop screen share.
Stop screen share. Okay, and then do it again. Entire screen.
Yeah. Are you doing show entire screen? Jada? Shoot. Okay, Jada. Oh. Shoot. Kate, can you hear me?
Yeah, it looks like she's muted down on the little screen. Jada, you're muted.
Hello?
Hi. Okay.
You can hear me now?
Yeah, try sharing your screen again.
Oh, okay.
And choose share entire screen.
Can you see it?
No. Kate, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Shoot. Okay, Jada, can you do me a favor? Can you just email it to me really quickly? Is it
Okay.
one document?
It's many documents, but I could.
Can you unjoin the call? Can you disconnect and then reconnect? I'll through the link.
Okay.
Sorry.
How do you disconnect? Oh, here you go.
Do you want me to try to screen share and see if it works for you, if you can see mine?
Yeah.
Oh, she's frozen.
Am I? Who's?
No,
Julie?
Julia's frozen.
Share your screen. Can you see that?
Okay, she said go ahead and present.
Okay. So this is so I was researching pictures that will fit into my target audience, and so I found a picture that would work. And so every like color I base, hold on, the design and the look and feel from that app. And so came up with in the end. I don't know. I can't hear her. And I just like cleaned up my like flow chart, and that's about it. So yeah, playing game and then design look, and that's
She said she's going to redo the call.
okay.
She typed that on the right.